In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to generate AI music for yourself or for your business, or you may want to post it to your YouTube channel or to your social media platform. So without further ado, let's get into work. So just go to your web browser, click on any web browser of your choice. So this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like when you get to the place. So just click on create, okay? Click on create, and in this place you can see this custom mode. So you can enter your own lyrics, you can enter your lyrics, enter the style of your music, and enter your title, or you can use AI for other. So just enter your lyrics here, and you can make random lyrics. So you can add your music style. So you can random style. You can make something like atmospheric. So paste your lyrics. This is my own lyrics. So we can change it to any video. So I can add a title. I'll just write anything here and click on create. So the thing is loading already, and the thing will have done in few seconds. These are song now.
In the vast landscape of music, there exists a genre that transcends mere melodies and rhythms. It's a genre that delves deep into the realms of spirituality, evoking emotions that resonate with the soul. This genre is none other than the soul-stirring world of I love you, Jesus. Music vibes. In this exploration, we journey through the origins, significance, and impact of this unique genre, delving into its profound connection with faith, love, and devotion, origins and evolution, the roots of I love you, Jesus.
In the vast landscape of music, there exists.
So the new one just generated.
The vast landscape of music, there exists a genre that transcends mere melodies. In the vast landscape of music, there exists a genre that transcends melodies. It's a genre that delves deep into the realms of spirituality, evoking emotions that resonate with the soul. This genre is none other than the soul story. I love you, Jesus. Music.
So this is the second platform. Just go in and sign up with Udio.com. So after you sign up with them, this is how it will look like. Okay, so just click on sign it with Google if you haven't signed up before. Sign up with Google, and I think I already signed up with them. So this is a place of song, so you can write a song for, you can see a song about the returning of lost friend. So you can put anything. So I can say, let me try I love Jesus that I used earlier, that place. So this is a suggest tag. You will now start looking for the tag. Maybe I want it to be in form of jazz, maybe pop, maybe I want to be pop rock and other stuff like that. So let me put so now I'll click on create. So create your video amazing in color. So click on my curation, and this is the music you are loading. So this is the music. Alright, so our music is done now. So let me click on it.
In His love, I find my peace. No mountain high or valley.
So you can remix, you can extend, and you can publish. So you can see this one, you can remix it, you can extend, and you can publish. So let's listen to it.
In your grace, through every trial, I feel your in His love.
Alright, I think that is cool. So if you want to extend, just click on extend and write what you want to write more. Maybe you want to add intro, maybe you want to add anything to it, just make sure you write it just make sure you write it So that's how to do that. So if you want to use your own prompts, let me use the prompt that I used earlier. Custom lyrics. Let me paste my lyrics there. So let me just say I love Jesus here. So this plays like that. So this is it. So you can select other thing, you can select classic, so you can select emotion, so click on create and your video will be done. Oh, our music is done. Just click on play. So to download it, click on this three-dotted line and click on download, and it will automatically download to your system or to your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and share to your friends and family.